Today I've got exactly 200 Lego blocks, and with just these pieces, I'm going to attempt something crazy. I'm building a Lego support car that will actually compete with a real support car. Yes, you heard that right. It may be made of tiny bricks, but I'm telling you, this build is going to be strong, smart, and full of surprises. Before anything else, we must start where every powerful vehicle begins, the chassis. This is the backbone, the heart, the foundation of our Lego support car. If the chassis is weak, the whole build collapses. But if the chassis is perfect, the car becomes unstoppable. So today, I'm taking my time, placing each brick with full focus. Because this support car isn't just for show, it's going into competition. As I start snapping the first few pieces together, the design begins forming in my mind. I'm thinking of strong edges, stable beams, and a structure that can handle weight, speed, and pressure like a real support car. Every click of a brick feels like progress, like building towards something epic. Once the chassis is ready, the real fun begins. I'll add the side frames, the base supports, and then slowly move toward the exterior design, making sure it looks fast, tough, and ready to take on any challenge. And trust me, by the end, you're gonna see a Lego car that doesn't just look cool, it acts like a true support car. So buckle up, because with just 200 pieces and a lot of imagination, we're about to build something legendary. Let's get started and see how far this little Lego machine can go. Right now, we've already built a big portion of the Lego car, and now we're working on the upper section. I've completed a major part of the top as well, and believe me, once this car is fully finished, any kid who gets it will be absolutely thrilled.